This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning your phone into a development workstation. Open a browser and sign into a cloud IDE or web-based code editor. Use a small Bluetooth keyboard if available to speed typing. Touch input works for short sessions. Create a new project, choose a language runtime, and initialize a repository or workspace so files persist. This first step gets you past hardware limits and lets you write, run, and save code immediately while keeping your environment consistent across devices. Once the workspace exists, focus on iterative development. Create small, testable files and commit often so you can revert mistakes easily. Use the Cloud IDE terminal or a remote container to install dependencies and run tests. This offloads heavy tasks from your phone. Make sure autosave and a basic linter are enabled so you catch errors as you type. If you need more power, forward ports or use preview features to inspect running apps in the same browser session. To finish, run your full test suite, then commit and push changes to your remote repository and create a pull request for feedback. If something fails, methodically check the terminal logs, confirm dependency versions, and verify environment variables. These are the common culprits. Make sure your workspace snapshots or branches are saved before making big changes. If a problem requires heavier tooling, switch temporarily to a public or borrowed computer, but most debugging can be handled via the cloud, IDE, and terminal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.